Well, good afternoon, or is it evening, everybody? Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. We got a new potential grifter that we need to examine here. I keep seeing this guy, Matt Derron, or however you say his freaking name. I keep seeing him pop up on YouTube, and I've watched maybe like half of one of his videos, and I was like, this guy's boring, and he's got really nice production, and he's basically uninteresting. Like, I don't want to watch him. He provides almost no value. But I decided to look a little bit further into this man, and I discovered some very interesting things about this personality. And if you are watching this man for financial advice, you need to think again, because this guy is not here to teach you. He's here to enrich himself via ad revenue by pumping trash. So let's go ahead and investigate this freaking clown, Matt Derron. So here's his profile. Okay, let's read his about section for his channel. Build, Invest Live, and this channel, let me make sure I'm sharing. I always get paranoid when I'm not sharing. Build, Invest Live aims to be the absolute best place to learn about stock investing. Did you like Bitcoin earlier, though? Interesting. No judgment, no hype, and no nonsense. Oh, yeah, there's no nonsense on your channel, bro. I'm about honest and balanced information mixed with realistic expectations. I share my own personal results to generate content. Oh, I mean, as a transparent example you can follow along with as you learn and build your own strategy. So apparently, this guy over 15 years has learned lessons that he's going to impart to you. Apparently, he's some kind of high IQ guy that's had a ton of experience, and through life experience, he knows better than you, right? After 15 years, the crap that you're going to see him talk about, if he believes this crap after 15 years, he's a lost cause. So, what is the number one way to detect a clown on YouTube? You always go to their oldest videos. Here's old Matty boy. What do his oldest videos have? Why is it you should care about Bitcoin? Is this the best hardware wallet for your crypto? The stock market hasn't bottomed. Who cares? It probably was the bottom. What an idiot. You're ignoring your biggest financial risk. Bitcoin, 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 crypto. Don't max out your 401k. Do this instead. Celsius, this and that and this and that. Wow. And then he starts talking about dividends. My new Schwab dividend portfolio. So the foundation of this guy's channel is cryptocurrency. But apparently he's going to teach you about stock investing, even though he was talking about crypto a year ago. But now he's a stock guy. That's interesting. If you go to his Twitter, I assume this is his. He's verified, but that doesn't mean anything anymore. He talks about Bitcoin over and over and over. Tweet after tweet after tweet after tweet of garbage pumping degeneracy. Okay? But this guy has been investing for 15 years. Oh my God. Here he is happy that El Salvador will be embracing Bitcoin. Yeah, but you can trust this guy. Okay? So he's got this thing called Build Invest Live. And it's basically hours of free content. That's right. No, it's free. He has no motives here. Free newsletter and tools. Self-paced learning. He's teaching you. Coming soon. He's got a Discord community. And of course, he's got a Patreon. Now, he doesn't charge a lot. Okay, $5 a month. That's not like an insane amount for a Patreon. But the idea that this Bitcoin pumping clown is going to go ahead and teach you about stocks all of a sudden is very, very interesting. It was almost convenient that when Bitcoin crashed, she started transitioning over to stocks now, wasn't it? So we're going to watch this recent video that he put out called Answering Comments. Why not just buy the index? Why am I talking about this? Well, apparently this guy likes to pick stocks, okay? And he's underperformed the market. So he's teaching you about investing, about stock picking to generate clicks and ad revenue. But I guess that doesn't matter, right? He can just make as many videos as he wants, but he's going to teach you, bro. Don't buy an ETF. Don't max your tax advantage accounts. Check out Bitcoin. And oh, by the way, check out my BS content where I underperform the market. So let's go ahead and listen to this stupid video answering comments. Why not just buy the index? Because people have been calling this clown out. And of course, he's got to go ahead and confront you. So let's go ahead and listen.
Funds versus stocks. And honestly, this is probably going to be the last time that I talk about this in detail. In the future, I'm just going to kind of direct people to the videos and comments that I've already made about it. But now more than ever, I'm getting a ton of comments just like.
Okay, well, here's one comment here. Well, I'm not saying you didn't do any analysis or research before buying. Just saying if you really like the top performers of the index, just buy the index and sleep well. But then you can't generate content. Why go through all this when there is a proven record that 90% of the people can't beat the index? Well there, buddy boy. How am I going to grow my YouTube channel and teach people my 15 years of experience during which I learned to buy Bitcoin and pick stocks underperform the market? Okay. Join my course, bro.
This. Only 2% of investors beat the market over time. Perhaps you should reconsider your goal.
Uh-oh.
But now more than ever, I'm getting a ton of comments just like you've been underperforming it. Just DCA into the market. That's the problem with individual stocks. Just go with ETFs. Do you ever consider to just concede and buy VOO? Buying separate stocks is a very expensive lesson to realize that you're better to buy ETFs. And then, of course, my favorite one, you won't beat the S&P because what you do is day trading. I wouldn't recommend anyone to follow your advice. You're leading your followers to bad decisions. So,
yes, you are, Matt. Yes, you are. You are a crypto pumping clown that all of a sudden started talking about stoink picking because you had one dividend video go viral. Of course, he made a dividend video that went viral. And now you're Mr. Stock Picker, but you're just sharing your journey. You're not going to lead your followers to make bad decisions, right? No, not at all.
So first of all, it's but I don't want to be petty. I'm kidding.
You got a typo.
Now, the quick version is this, and I've talked about this many times. I'm a huge believer in index funds. Like, index funds literally changed my life. I was unemployed. I was broke. I had no investments. And when I finally started to earn some income and I got a good job, index funds is how I started. And I did that for maybe like 9-10 years of just.
Yeah, and you should do that your entire life. I don't know why these people think that you have to start with index funds and then you graduate to stock picking. No, you can start with index funds and you can stay with them your entire life. There's no graduating to stock picking. That's stupid. That's a waste of your time. The older you get, the less time you have to pick stocks, unless you want to generate YouTube content.
Just index funds and nothing else. And it worked great. Like, it built a foundation for me and my family that we are still kind of enjoying the fruits of today. And I totally agree that they're a great choice for the majority of people, because most people don't want to dig into stocks. They don't want to monitor them. They don't want to do that work. All they're trying to do is make sure that they have a good retirement. And if.
Okay, but how do you analyze companies, Matt? Because all I see in your past is crypto shilling. And apparently you have like a degree in what, computer science or something like that. You're not an accountant. You're not a finance bro. How are you analyzing these companies? You're not. You're just buying random crap. Oh, but index funds are just for people that are, they don't want to take the time. No, you know what index funds are? You believe in efficient markets. You think you're smarter than the market, and you're some random clown on YouTube that shills Bitcoin, you doofus.
If all you do is DCA into an index fund and do that over a period of time, increasing your income, increasing your contributions, you're going to do great. And I've said this many, many times on the channel. And plus, when people ask me why I don't invest in index funds, like I've mentioned before, I do invest in index funds. Like, we still have accounts that are not the ones that I show on the channel, like my wife's retirement account that is 100% invested in the S&P 500, and it has been for like over 15 years.
Yeah, and your wife is going to crush you. But you'll probably make more from your ad revenue and selling your course where you teach people how to, I don't know, based on your expertise of 15 years of shilling crypto and underperforming the market.
But the portfolio that I share is our actively managed portion with the goal to actually beat the market through stock picking. And like I just mentioned in the previous comment, building a foundation with index funds makes perfect sense for people. And especially when you're just getting started and you're still learning. And if you never want to do anything more than that, it's perfectly fine.
No, it's actually a bell curve. So when you start, so like, imagine like the IQ distribution or whatever, like the bell curve. So on the left side of the bell curve, it's like you just start investing. You're like, duh, I don't know what to do. And the dumb person on the meme buys the index fund because they don't know anything. And then you go up the IQ distribution, right? You go up the bell curve. And then right at the average, you get the average IQ person. Well, I think I can beat the market because I can generate ad revenue on my channel. So I'm going to pick stocks. And then eventually you figure out that the market is efficient in the long run. And if you dollar cost average to a total market index, not the garbage he probably shills, like probably, I guarantee you he talks about Shada. If you DCA to an index, you're going to get the market's return. And you're trusting efficient markets. That's on the other end of the bell curve. Okay. He's going up towards the normie range. But eventually he's going to go to the high IQ VT range. Well, I don't think he will personally. But that's the natural progression. Index funds, stock picking, back to index funds. That's the progression. Or you could just stay with index funds the whole time. I think it's good for some people that just don't want to really spend time on their portfolio. Go, because you're sophisticated. You read a Motley Fool article and you watched a couple of YouTube videos and you looked at the balance sheet that you didn't understand, and now you're suddenly a stock picker. It's so easy. It's so easy, bro.
Now, let's address the real issue, though. Like this mentality that there's only one way, index funds are the only way for retail investors, otherwise you're being irresponsible or you're being misleading. Like I had a comment that was accusing me of knowing that index funds were better, but basically talking about individual stocks because I want to make money on YouTube. Like, do you
No way.
realize how ridiculous that statement is? Like the bottom line is this,
That's a ridiculous statement? No, it's not. That's what every grifter does. If you want to rope in retail clowns, you talk about crypto, you talk about all the popular stocks, and you basically imply that they can beat the market. And you cover all the popular stocks like a little rat that you are. That's how you succeed on YouTube. That's what people do. That is not a ridiculous statement at all. That is a very highly intelligent statement by whoever made that comment. And of course, it's just a ridiculous statement. I was shilling crypto in my first videos, and now I'm a dividend genius, apparently. And shut your freaking mouth, clown. I know what you're up to.
like picking stocks. I enjoy the process. I feel like I have a mentality and skills that may lead to a higher probability of success in doing it.
You like crypto. You don't understand anything about investing. Nothing. If you like crypto and you legitimately think it's a good investment, you don't understand the basics of what investing is all about. Get off YouTube.
And I'm just sharing my process on this channel for anyone else who's like-minded and has the same thoughts that I do.
Yeah, because that's what's going to happen. You know what's going to happen is some retail dope is going to see your highly edited videos talking about dividends and cryptocurrency. And they're going to be led down the path of degeneracy. That's what's really going to happen. You're not drawing in like-minded people. You're drawing in people that don't know anything. And they're learning from you. And what are you? A crypto shill. You don't know anything. I just want to show you my portfolio. Yeah, that's what Khmer does too. I'm just showing you my portfolio, bro.
Do about it. And these comments are a great example of why I try to be so transparent on this channel in the first place. Because when you go out there trying to find information about investing, it's so hard to find one, a view that's unbiased, right? Or to understand what the person's biases are. But then two, views that actually talk about both sides of it, right? I never tell people you should be investing in individual stocks. And I also never tell people you should only invest in index funds because we're all different. We're all unique. We're in different situations. We have different interests. And all this channel is
we're all different. I mean, it's just so easy to beat the market over 30 years. It's so easy, bro. We're just different. I'm just talking to the people that maybe just want to try their luck in the casino. No, you're not. You're sweeping at people that are ignorant. Because people that actually know about investing aren't going to watch your garbage videos that are full of misinformation. Oh, wait till I react to your dividend video, you freaking clown. That was a catastrophe. And of course it went viral. Total freaking joke. He demonstrates his lack of understanding in accounting and everything. Okay? This guy's a total freaking joke. But he's got nice edits. It's highly edited, bro. He's bald. He's old. You should trust him. And you should be 100% ETFs. I'm going to say it. Okay? If you want to be a little degenerate, 5%, whatever. But the vast, vast majority of your portfolio should be in total world index funds in tax advantage accounts. I will say that till the day I die, boy.
I was trying to do is show you my process, my thought process of why I did something, the outcome and results, completely transparent, not trying to hide anything.
Okay, what? So he's trying to be transparent here. I know he's underperformed the market. He has shown that in other videos. But what's he doing in this video? Oh, that's interesting. He's showing that he outperformed the market over what, a month? This is manipulation 101. That's what he's doing literally right here. He's showing his dividend growth portfolio has outperformed by dropping less than the benchmark and the S&P 500. Over a month's time span? Is that what this is? This is pure manipulation. You have underperformed, doofus. But no, bro. I'm just transparent. I see through you, boy. This is like, what more do you need than this? What more do you need?
Anything of, oh, I contributed a bunch of money and that's why my returns are good. Like,
oh, wow. Wow. Look at the big numbers, guys. Oh, you can trust him. He's got $273,000.
You get to see how much is contributions, how much is actual investment gains, and all that in between. Because it's about learning. Like, it's not about you learning to invest like me or to buy all the same stocks that I buy. The whole point of this channel is for you to learn how to invest like you by...
Look, just be honest, okay? You know what the purpose of my channel is? There's two purposes. Do I want to have some kind of benefit where I make money from this channel? Abso-freaking-lutely I do. Absolutely, I want to make money from this channel. I have a book. Buy my book, Stop Being a Broke Loser. I want to shield my services as a CPA for doing taxes. I want to sell tutoring services. I want to do sponsored videos, pin comment. I want to make money. Just be honest. But I also want to show my real beliefs. And I actually think I am a lot more genuine than this degenerate right here. Because from the day I started this channel, I have talked about total market index fund investing. From the day I started this channel, started posting real videos 4 years ago. That's all I've done. What is this? Bitcoin, dividends. Oh, let me show you that I'm beating the market, but I'm really not because I only showed you a 1 month time span. Just say you want to make money. At least be honest about it. There's nothing wrong with that. When you say that you don't want to make money, you're just here to teach people, it just comes off as dishonest. I want to make money. Of course I do. You know what I'm going to do with my money? I'm going to put it in VT. That's exactly what I'm doing. I want to maximize my income. I want to get rich as F so I can put it in VT. That's all. That's my entire master plan. That's my hidden agenda. Okay? I just want to teach you and be transparent. Yeah, trust me, bro. What a freaking loser.
Watching me go through my process, deciding, hey, I like that, I don't like that. Oh, this gave me a new idea that I never thought about. And then through that, hopefully you get to a process that makes sense for you. And a great example.
No, here's a process that works. You max your tax advantage accounts. Year in, year out. You buy total market index funds and you never sell till you need it in retirement. That's it. You don't check your portfolio. You max your tax advantage accounts. That works. That is a fact and a law. What is not a fact is listening to this Bitcoin shill, stock picking degenerate that doesn't know jack all, but he's been investing for 15 years. Yeah, okay, Matt. Name rhymes with scat.
Example of this is I got an email response to my latest newsletter that basically said, after watching my videos and comparing to what they were doing and I was doing with individual stocks, they actually think that they're better off investing in index funds right now. And watching me go through my process convinced them of what worked best for them.
Do you see what so this guy's saying basically you're a moron and you taught me I should just buy index funds. After watching your channel, Matt, I decided to just buy a total market index fund or whatever. Well, he's probably buying some clown index, but whatever. Oh man, that's a painful email to read.
Which was ultimately not even what I was doing. So I love that. Like, you have no idea how happy that email made me, because it's not about, oh, there's only one way or do it like me. It's about showing the process, showing the real results, and being transparent so that people.
You're not transparent. You showed yourself outperforming over a month time span when you have massively underperformed the market, you degenerate. What a freaking loser. Okay, so that's my expose. So he's trying to build this. He does what every other YouTuber does. Okay? He's doing the same freaking thing. But, and he's just dishonest. He's totally dishonest. Oh, I don't want to make money, bro. No, I don't care. Yeah, I'm a capitalist. Oh, yeah, I want to make money. I want you to buy my book, Stop Being a Broke Loser, on Amazon. I want that direct deposit. But I also want to shill VT because I really, truly believe in it. I really do. You think VT gets me clicks? Really? VT. Yeah, oh, that makes me so popular on YouTube. Everybody loves VT. What a freaking loser. All right, that's done. Let's do some comments. Oh my God, there's a lot of comments. Strongman, how do I send you $50 for a video? Look in my description of my videos or pinned comments. I got PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. There must be a grift pack. Larry Jones is not the alpha. Meet Kevin is the alpha. Let's see. Does he have a core? I think he's working on it. Fabio, we're condemning VT as a tool of the Matrix. He probably goes from an investor to trader to options over the year of his financial so-called experience. Dude, he started with Bitcoin. Guy's a joke. Okay? Massive freaking joke. Let's see. Wow. Got a huge debate with Gil here. Shilling QQQ. All right, guys. Well, that's the expose of Matt Derron. What a wonderful time. What a wonderful world we live in. Cheers.